Hi, Steve Chrysler here from Bookkeeping Life. Today I want to talk about the number one difference between people that succeed at bookkeeping, starting their own bookkeeping business, and people that do not succeed at starting their own bookkeeping business and getting clients, all the good stuff. The number one reason is determination. Those that have determination to get it done, to make it happen, do. I see it all the time. So you probably know about my programs, my courses, and if you do, you might have even thought about taking them. I can tell you that the students that have taken the courses, there are two types that take it. Those that have determination and those that don't. And the ones that succeed are the ones that have that piece. That is really the deciding factor. So let me tell you about my programs real quick. And then we can get back to this determination thing. I have programs, two programs. One's the Start Grow program. It gives you everything you need: a professional logo, business card design, 25 courses or 25 video course from me that tells you every step of the way how to pick a good business name. So all the branding piece of it, which is the logo piece, and the business cards, the name, the domain name, how to do all that stuff. That's the branding piece. Then I tell you about how to advertise for free. I do not pay for advertising. So I teach you what I've done for all these years to advertise and get clients for free. So that's the branding and the advertising piece. So that's the Start and Grow. You do really good branding plus really good advertising, you get clients. But you have to have that determination in there. Okay, so that's the Start Grow program. I also have the Learn, Start, Grow program, which is the same as the Start Grow program. It has all that same stuff in there, but it also has a 53 video, almost 7 hours of QuickBooks Online training. It's an excellent course. So there's the Start Grow program and the Learn, Start, Grow program. You can learn more about those in the links below. I didn't want to get too into those today, but I'm telling you the difference between people that take these courses and succeed and the people that take these courses and don't make it is determination, because I give you everything else. You have to have determination to succeed. Most things in life, you have to have some determination to make it happen. You can't, some people fall into certain things and you kind of look at them and say, I don't know how you fell into that success. But most things in life that you know, to be successful they require determination, a lot of determination. To be a good business owner, there's always certain hurdles that you have to overcome. Some you can push through, some you can go over, some you can go around, but it's all about determination. To do well, to get clients, to grow your business, to make good money, to work for yourself, work from your own home office. This is my home office. You have to have determination. You can live a life of freedom. You can live a life of making really good money, and it's a beautiful life, but you have to bring the determination. You cannot get it without determination. So that's my message to you today. Check out my programs below if you want more information on those programs, but just understand, you have to bring that determination. You go into something without determination, your chances of succeeding are very, very small. So bring the determination, and I give you everything else. I help you every step of the way in order what to do. I don't cloud you with too much stuff and have you figure it all out for yourself. I tell you step 1, step 2, step 3, all the way down, what to do, how to do it. But you have to bring the determination to make it happen. All right, so check it out. Subscribe to my channel if you like my videos. I'm here to help. I help so many people succeed, and I've been available to help so many people that didn't succeed because they didn't bring the determination. So you bring the determination, I give you everything else, we'll make it happen. All right, have a great day. Take care.